Sanibonani sesikhona siwu-0 wenkinga madoda. Awu. Sifikile emndeni wami. I hope everyone is okay. Actually lengi nje manje ngihlalele ngiyacabanga yabona nje ish. Ndazisho ukuphanda kahle bese mhla 20. Kubunga mina sesisine. Kubunga mina wesisine yazi kubunga mina. Athi ngidlala endaweni e-right ke mawuthi. Ngidlala endaweni e-right ngempela. Hello, hi, how are you?
Good, and you?
I'm great. You want to do a few matches?
Sí, una.
Okay. Oye, Mexican, gracias. Yes, gracias.
Gracias. Vamos, gente, todo tanta gente, gracias, todo tiki.
Okay, let's go. Hlangana-ke mntomnyama. Angiyazi ke le. Umfana lo ngisenkingeni. Intombazane it's a lot. Kuningi. Utumelo ungangihleki we are dealing with a lot lana. It's a beautiful lady. My God. It's a girl. Okay, chat. We have to figure this out. Yabo. Okay, chat. Focus, my cheetah. Focus, my face. Focus. It's a beautiful girl. No. It's a guy. Focus, chat. Focus, my face. Focus. Hlangana mntomnyama. Let's go. It's a Aibo. Aibo. Nibonile lento. How? Aibo. Iyatakata. Aibo. Ay. Ibi balpe. Ratakakakakaka. Ay. Yay. Wema kumtateli balpe lapho. Uthuma ne balpe ebaya. Aibo. In the name. It's a show.
No.
Aibo.
No.
Fire.
No.
Toma yo muy fire.
No, la Biblia no.
Muntu ngenye kwenye. Toma yo muy. Hengele bekitha. Uyadlala ke bana. Krakaka. Bende pakata papa. No weapon formed against me will prosper. No weapon formed against. Aibo. Guys. Kanjani mfethu? Uyenze kanjani le nto leya? Can you do it again? Can you do it again? Can you do it? Do it again. Haibo. One more time. One more time. Boom, boom, boom. Is it? Haibo. Ay, gang. Nakia, naiki, tandaza nami. No weapon formed against me will prosper. No weapon formed against me will prosper. Woo.
Antes.
Let's do it again. Let's do it. No, don't go.
No, yo digo más háganlo.
No, don't go. Hayibo. Ngiyayiqala-ke into enjeya. Washintsha wabe idimoni. Wangiphoqa ukuthi ngithathe that weapon. Wangiphoqa ukuthi ngithathe that weapon. Wangiphoqa. Yazi wangiphoqa ukuthi ngithathe that weapon. Anti angithandi ukudonsa le weapon. Lesikhali lesi angithandi ukusidonsa. Yabo, ungiphoqile ukuthi ngisidonse. Yabo, ngithusile-ke le nto le. Yo, my reaction, man. I was genuinely shocked laphaya. Hayibo. Uyenza kanjani le nto le? Ha. Wangiphendulela nje wabe enye into engayazi. Mademon thizeni. Mademon esingawazi. Yo. Hey, emhlabeni kuneziwe, umhlaba unezimfihlo umhlaba.
Hello?
Hi, I brought you here.
Bajo na TikTok ako. Bajo.
I want us to have a match. How she has nice tattoos, Chelsea. I Eliana. Bithi ngithusile. Yes. Wavela suma mfethu. Ngithukile lapha isuma leyanto. Vela suma ngashintsha. Ngashintsha. Yo, the truth shall set you free. Kuningi okwenzeka la eSouth Africa. Nibonile ukuthi kuphume ama-chats WhatsApp. I'm Mr. Julius Malema with certain individuals. Kuningi okwenzeka la emhlabeni. Kuningi. Hello, my brother.
Hello, how are you, brother?
Oh, life is good. Where are you from? Where are you?
I am from Pakistan.
Pakistan, all right. Hey, what is you eating? Hey, looks delicious. Yes. Udlani lona, guys. Udlani.
Eating.
Udlani mfethu. What is? Oh, okay. Spoon. You have a spoon.
With hand, it's a sunnah. Sunnah malum?
What is spoon?
You know?
You know spoon.
I know.
I show you. You take spoon.
I have spoon here.
Where? Show me.
I like to eat with.
Okay. Ayibonga mfethu uhlangana umuntu omnyama ningavuma sishaye. Ningavuma sishaye. Alright. Ningavumi. What are you eating? What is? Guys, ngiyacela mfethu hlangana ningavuma sishaye. Usisha kanjani? Hlangana umuntu omnyama tap screen.
वीडियो में लेफ्ट हैंड शो होता है लेफ्ट हैंड शो होता है राइट हैंड सिखा रहा हूँ भाई अल्लाह माफ करे मुफ्तियों को ये वीडियो में लेफ्ट हैंड शो होता है, राइट हैंड से खा रहा हूँ।
kuleka ngikhona ezandleni
मुफ्ती पता नहीं कहाँ से आ जाते हैं।
nami ngimningi ezandleni
अब वो वाला बंदा मुझे लेफ्ट हैंड
cheers
से
my brother
है।
nami ngimningi
Cheers.
ezandleni nami kuleka cheers yes bafu hlangana mntu omnyama ngingavumi soka ngiyabonga ningamvumeli nami ngimningi ezandleni nami
Where are you from? Hey,
South
where are
Africa
you?
South Africa I'm eating rice and ponchis. What is wait just now ngibonisa I'm eating rice and what is ponchis chat what is
I have
just
cats.
what are you eating when
Rice, potatoes.
oh rice and potato okay me it's rice and ponchis and what is I don't know what is English I don't know yabo.
You
don't
know
have
English?
meat? I know I want to learn Pakistan now. I want to learn.
अच्छा सही है।
You teach me?
जी सुफियान आर्मी किया है।
Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. I have cats there. Look them. मुझे बर्फ में लगाया हुआ है यार, कुछ करो। और भाई सीधे से कह रहा हूँ, वीडियो में उल्टा हाथ शो हो रहा है यार। इन मुफ्तियों को कौन समझाए?
खुलेगा पोज़ा याम don't worry. What you drinking?
उल्टा हाथ शो होता है। वीडियो में उल्टा हाथ शो होता है, सीधे से कह रहा हूँ भाई, मुफ्तियों बस कर दो।
What is you drinking? Ikatin
कोई बात नहीं यार।
Ikatin geneklen smagati. Ikatin geneklen mongwel. Ngiyabonga lezi, ngiyabonga Ebza, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ikatin geneklen mongwel. Ikatin geneklen baba. Lingeneklen mo ikatin mongwel. Ngibonile. But it's fine. Asenze ngathi sibonana.
बार मुझे कमेंट्स आया कि सीधे हाथ से खाओ 5 बार।
Hlangana mntu omnyama, hlangana guys, ngiyacela ngavumi. Ekune galaxy no angahlulu. Ikati ngene kudleni. The cat went into the food.
मुझे बर्फ में लगाया हुआ है, क्या दिखाऊं आप लोगों को?
Ikati liyakudleni. We Jesu ngithini kuthiwani? Ikati ekudleni. Oh my brother, we tried. You play again. Don't go. No. Ikati ngene kudleni smart mongcwele. Ikati ngene kudleni baba. Ingene kudleni baba. Lingene ekudleni ikati mongcwele. Lithe pheshe ekudleni lalunguza ukhari. Ikati ngene ekudleni lalunguza ukhari mongcwele. We are dealing with a lot. We are dealing with ikati ngene ekudleni lalunguza ukudla. Lalunguza ukhari laphaya. That's qhebe ukhari. Hey. We are dealing with a lot as abantu abamnyama abahlala eSouth Africa. Imagine uhlala la eSouth Africa ke. Imagine. I'm troublemaker. Oh mama. With a fortune. Fortunate. Ngisho kahle? Yes, ngisho kahle. Kunjani? It's been a while. Kunjani?
Why am I the one that's following you and you're not following me?
That's impossible. Why you kambamanga? Why you kambamanga?
You just followed me now. Oh my
It's
word.
it's
Oh
a
my
lie.
word.
It's a lie.
You literally just followed me now.
It's a lie. As far about to play a tag team. Do you want to do like
How
a
are
tag
you?
team?
How are you? How are you?
And so we are living. We are living. Yeah. I can't complain. Wena, how are you?
I'm rebranding.
What do you mean?
My flu is so bad, eh?
It's
It's so bad.
Maybe GP doctor or something.
Yeah, I have to go to a doctor.
Yes.
Like,
Rebrand.
I'm rebranding. Like, I want to be a one-man woman.
Kanjan.
Like, I want to focus on one person. I don't know who God is gonna send me. But this thing of raising on TikTok, I'm not gonna do it anymore. I don't mean like
Or
dating.
Mauti, you want to be a one-man woman. Were you not like a one-man woman originally?
No, I used to raise people on TikTok. I no longer do that. I'm rebranding.
That's crazy. And they back call it. They fall for it.
No. It was just playing, you know. But now I'm no longer doing it with myself. I'm rebranding.
Yes, I hope it works out. I hope it works out.
It does.
Ngifuna ukudla manje ngisaba wena. Ngifuna ukudla manje ngisaba
What are you
wena.
eating?
Idla nawe.
Uthini unet?
Mama. Fancy. I got rice. I got rice here. I got rice and I got the bunches. What is it called? The beans. We're eating fancy today.
Ngolobon?
We're eating fancy today. Why are you still wearing like frontal yako, mama?
Am I supposed to take it off? I'm not about to sleep. I'm not. The night is still long. Guys, can I please get one rose? Okay, let me focus a bit. Like, I haven't been focusing. Guys, can I please get one rose? I have to take those drinks. Like, he doesn't have smoke. Like, he can't beat me. It's impossible. Thank you, user. Thank you.
Abe. Asimshiye uyasibhora. Sibuye simbone later. Yabona nje. Sombona later kahle. Amancane unfortunately. Hi.
Hi.
Hey. Can we do a match? Oh, nice tattoos, by the way. Hi, Bo.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we can, but I got people.
Is there like...
It's real.
Is there like a meaning to it? What's the meaning though? Like what the... there has to be a meaning.
I just like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And another one here. How many do you have?
Yeah,
she has tattoos.
I got 9 tattoos.
How? 9?
Yeah. Where are you from?
And your husband, what does he say?
Nothing. He liked them too.
He liked them too? Can we see the one on the belly? Can you see the one on your belly?
This one?
Yeah. It's an eye.
I got 2 eyes.
An eye. We see you.
La PC fait funny, man. Back about. Where are you from?
I'm from South Africa. And you? Birthmark, thank you.
I'm from
South
Haiti.
Africa. You're from Haiti?
Do you know Haiti?
Never heard of it. First time hearing about it.
Do you know Dominican Republic?
I know the Dominican Republic. Pablo Escobar. We know Pablo Escobar. We know El Chapo. Yeah, we know El Chapo. Who else? Yeah, Pablo Escobar, El Chapo. We know.
I don't know them. But Haiti is next to Dominican Republic.
Nice.
Do you
And
know
can you
Masinde?
show us? Can you show us something from Haiti?
Me?
Yeah, anything around the house that is from Haiti.
Let me see.
Anything, pick anything and show us. I have a lot of people on my side. There's so many. Anything from Haiti.
Mkwe dada mlivle where? Okay, Al Pacino. Mkwe
Yes.
dada where? Leave them couple people where dada.
You're about to see something from Haiti, chats. It's gonna be big. Be prepared. South Africans, be prepared. Gonna see something from Haiti.
Well, we see on bagay Haiti vle where.
We are humble. Haiti, guys. I know. Yeah, when I joy, oh God, you understand me. La, ngivele ngizenze ngathi angazi lutho ngathi ngiyisilima bukhonani sixoxe nabo. Ngiyazi Haiti, ngiyazi yonke lezi zinto. Truth mfethu. Danke truth. Guys, khona ma screenshots aphumile. Julius my name.
I said Pilon.
Yes. What is that? You are a witch?
No.
What is that? Show us.
Pilon.
Show
Pilon.
us.
Matthew.
What does it do?
That's called Pilon.
You doing the masturbation?
Yes. Matthew. Do you know Masinde?
Do I know who?
Masinde.
Who's that? What do you mean?
You don't know Masinde?
Okay. Wait. Hold up. Wait. Who taught you that word?
My South African friend.
You can't say that word.
Why?
It's deep. Say it again.
Masinde.
Aibo, chat. Why? And I thought we were friends. And I thought we were friends. Like,
do you know Yile? You know Yile?
I know Yile taught you. Is it Yile?
Yile, yeah.
It was Yile. Yo, Yile.
A nation.
Hey, Yile is a menace. Yile taught you that?
Yeah, Yile is my friend.
Yile's not your. If he taught you that, then he's not your friend.
Oh.
The
Betty with your bestie.
He was sniper.
Kiss with you. Messi share you.
Hey, he taught you such a deep word.
No, Kozo.
Yeah. Okay, I know Yile, but I don't know Kozo. Kozo. I don't know Kozo.
Kozo and...
Well, you're welcome, because I'm bigger than both of them. So, you just got like on a bigger platform. This is like a bigger platform. So, congratulations to you. But the words you just said, you can't say that word.
I can't say Masinde. Is that a bad word?
It's how do I explain this? How do I explain this word? But
Masinde is the boss, right?
No, slow down. Wait. Let's negotiate. You can't just bluntly say it. It shouldn't be that easy for you to just say the word. It shouldn't be that easy. It's deep.
Right, I'm very open mind.
Okay. You know, how do I put this? It is literally the most offensive word you can say to a South African. Out of all the words that exist in South Africa, that one.
I
If you
didn't know
say
that.
that, if
I'm
you
so
say
sorry,
that
South
word,
African.
don't worry. Don't. If you say that word to someone in South Africa, it literally starts something. It means you wanna start something. It's deep.
Oh,
It's very
I'm
deep.
sorry. I'm so
Angeke
sorry.
ngingavumi hlangana mntomnyama hlangana
Guys,
mntomnyama
says win. No back up says win.
let's go nqaba nami ngeke guys ngeke uyadlala lo ngiyacela
Ito ba si
ngahluli
Jen Osatu? Hindi ba ako
angahluli. What happened to Professor Henan? Angeke angahluli guys, tap screen guys, ayibu ayikho negalaxy ngiyacela ayikho negalaxy.
Zero.
Yeah, talk to me.
How do I say I love you in Zulu?
Oh, don't worry. Why you falling in love? You're not supposed to fall in love with me now.
No, I just want to know.
Okay. If you wanna say I love you, you just say ngiyakuthanda. Okay, let's practice it. It's ngiyakuthanda. Let's try.
How?
It's okay. I need to simplify this word.
Okay.
Let me try. Let me think. Because it's very complicated. Saying I love you in Zulu, you literally only have to say ngiyakuthanda. Let's try.
Say it again.
It's ngi. Say ngi.
Gi.
Ya.
Yeah. Ku.
Ta.
Da.
Hlangana. Yes. Now
don't
put it all
remember.
together. Don't worry. It's not that deep. Maybe Lily will teach you.
Let's try in my language.
Of course, yeah, let's do it. Yeah? Yes,
I love you in Creole is mwene meu.
Okay.
Mwe.
Mwele meu.
You got it.
Mwele meu. We mwele meu is it
Creole
is it nice?
is easier than Zulu.
Yeah, it's very easier.
Yeah.
Yes, chat. Yes, mwele meu, chat. Mwele meu. Yes. Guys, we like that. And how do I say? You fat idiots in your language?
You what?
You fat idiots.
Gros idiot.
Yeah, like you fat idiots. How do I say it?
Gros idiot.
Eh?
Gros idiot.
Go
Gros idiot.
Go idiots.
No, gros.
Go, okay. Go idiots.
Gros idiot.
Go idiots. Nice.
Yeah.
We are learning, chat. We are learning. Hlangana mntomnyama, tap the screen. Guys, angahluli. Let's go. Ngiyacela ngavuma hluli. Go idiots. Like that. So you live alone, eh?
Yeah, I do.
Wow, you're independent. Wow, you're a boss lady.
Not really.
Oh, what? How now? Yes, it's back. Was came in. So you don't live alone?
No. Yeah, I do. I live alone, but I'm not a boss.
And then, oh, nice. That's good. That is very good. We support that. We support you. Hey, you're very brave. You're very brave to have tattoos. You are very brave.
Thank you.
Very brave woman.
You don't have tattoos?
Hayi ngeke ngiyakushiya mina. Ngiyamshiya mina. Ngiyabonga wena. Isiqoko. Hey ningenza umuntu. Nina nivele ningithinte seningenza umuntu noma ngingalindele. Noma ngingalindele sibo. Ngithula ba. Sibone ngizothola ba. Nivele ningithintithe nini inkinga yenu. Ngiyabonga. Mfethu ubani? Oh sorry yabona. Yabona nje yo. That's serious here. Yabona. Ngitsana. Oh sure.
How are you?
I'm good. We're doing a match.
You want a match?
You want a match? Let's do it. Let's do it.
Really? You come
Are
from
you
where?
ready?
You come from where?
I know you.
You know me. I'm from
I
where?
know you.
Really?
I know you.
Okay. Okay, send your request.
Okay, let me see. Can I send?
Okay,
I
let's
send
try.
a request. Let's
try.
go. Are you ready?
Okay.
Are you ready?
You ready?
Let's go.
Okay,
Let's go.
Let's dance. We are dancing.
We are dancing. I can dance too. We can dance together.
Okay, no problem. Eddie, thank you so much.
Let's do it.
That girl, thank you so much. Thank you. Again and again, family. Paul, again and again. Let's try this family. Love you so much. Again and again. Again and again.
Yes.
Dirty girl.
Changana Tomyama. Changana. Ay ngiyakwazi mina hey. Hlangana Mtomnyama tap the screen ngabavumeli bawini babona lapha. Bawo. Engeke. Iyangiqedana njalabo. Ayingeke ukwenzela ngathi kuthi qhwi. Ngathi kuthi mzala ke la. We are hey guys, people are hey. Benzani. Atangashaya noma Sangana Tomyama.
Paula, Dirty girl. Dirty girl. Paula.
Para ngidansa ngibone.
Family no. Family. No losing family. Yeah. Pow. Dirty girl. Rosie. Listen. Family no. Ay. Family no. Ay.
Ngiyabonga Lindo, ngiyabonga. Kumeza ngiyabonga.
Family no.
Ngiyabonga.
Missy. No!
Yes, ihlangana Ntombi yami. Yeah. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nomfundi.
Famino! Missy. Paula. Dati Galo.
Inyoka. Tika le cake. Why, kumpuli tika le cake.
Famino!
Why? Wow, you can't beat this cigarette cake. You cannot beat it.
Thank you. Thanks for forgiving us, family.
Done, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
everyone,
7,
guys.
8,
Yo.
9, 10. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My friend,
Thank you.
you're so
Yeah.
strong. Go ahead.
You guys are great dancers. Wow. Ha.
Can
I
you try
appreciate
another
you.
one?
You want to try another one?
Let's try another one.
Okay, one more, then I go.
Okay. This guy is strong. Oh my God. Thank you so much, family.
Mate, ngiyabonga. Mangi live ngizo enjoy and have fun, guys. But other than that, ngizo release ama videos amaningi. We all know sikhona ama message aphumile a WhatsApp from Julius Malema to other individuals. Kumele ngikhulume ngayo leyo nto. Kumele futhi sithi follow the money. Guys, kuthina sonke sokulo live. We have been ever since kwenzeka meeting with Mr. President. I'm sure we have been monitoring izinto, trying to find out if following the money. Is there anything esenibonile because mina okwamanje angiboni lutho when it comes to the whole situation. Kodwa into engimngayo ukuthi excuse me. Into engimngayo iqiniso engilaziyo ukuthi as abantu abamnyama asikwazi ukufihla imali. If ngempela there's money involved in that whole situation, if kuya meeting khona imali ekhulunyiwe khona abantu abaphiwe imali kuzovela because as abantu abamnyama asikwazi ukufihla imali. But mina ngazi I don't know, I haven't seen anything ekhuluma ukuthi okay osibani sebe nemali sebekwazi ukuthenga izinto engimele ngaba abayi-afford yabo. But again, keep monitoring izinto, come up with your own conclusions. Angikwazi ukudansa mama, conversation with Zandi, Mrs. Zandi mama. Angikwazi uMamzandi. Yazi uMamzandi weMamzandi kusamele ukubize ulokuzana uAyanda Msweli lapha ya kwi-podcast yakho. Ayanda Msweli ilo khona lo mfana loculayo uthi happy birthday Beyonce yambona naye noMencexza yabo. noMencexza kumele ukubabiza mothola isikhathi bashaya nge-interview dalo azokutholela ama-views amaningi, especially makwazi ukuthola uMencexza, wakwazi ukuthola nalomtshida lo ucula happy birthday Beyonce. Angazi kodwa kuwena because nginazi inamba zabo. All you have to yazi ke mama, all you have to do is ask for a number zokunika, you reach out kubona because uMencexza I don't know uyamazi uMencexza nje upopular kakhulu ku Facebook, ku Instagram, like TikTok ukhona but ibrand yakhe inkulu ku Facebook. Ngiyabonga mzane yamo. So I don't know mase uthole yena, I feel like maningi ama views ongathola. But yeah, bengisho nje, bengisho. Ngiyabonga miss, ngiyabonga. Ngiyakutshela mamzandi, ngiyakutshela. Mina nje uthole laba bantu laba.
Are you there, my friend? Let's go by the family. Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, boy. Hayibo.
Pow.
Ngisho yena mina mamzane. Ngisho yena. Cha uthi nami ngiqale amanye ama-projects yabo ngayigoli ngabuye eGoli ngaye Cape Town futhi kumele ngiye Cape Town futhi next month yabo for ezinye izinto nge-meeting ne-DA meeting nezinto but nje mina ngingakwazi ukuthi ngitholele uma ngicela nginayo inamba yakhe ngiyacela if ukwazi ukuthola isikhathi ngiyoyenze le interview naye because upopular kakhulu kulokuthi futhi angathi mhlawumbe sekwayenza angazi but I'm just saying upopular kakhulu ku Facebook. And une-hype, into enegama lakhe line-hype. So, I feel like it might be a great investment ukubiza yena kwi-podcast yakho. Great investment, kakhulu. Think about it. Reach out kumina mase ucabangile ungicela inamba zonginika. Ngiyabonga mamzane, ngiyabonga.
Pow Zana.
Ngiyabonga. Phela ngisoze ngikhohle wena umuntu owangisiza yabo wanginika leyo voice wangivulela umnyango. Ngakhohlwa kanjani? Oh, thanks will do. Okay, ayinkinga mamzane, ngiyabonga. Khona nje mase uyifuna noma nini ikhona ngizomnika. Mfonele, khulume naye nje. Yabo. Uzofika futhi uzofika anankinga namtshela. Orma ukuthi mhlawumbe ke inkulumo yakhe yale eceleni uzotshena mina vele he owes me a favor. Uyazi naye. So bese ngiyamtshela no iyakula podcast. Uzoya. Anyways, asiqhubeke, start.
Santo. Endo.
Wow.
Thank you.
Oh my friend.
0. Ngidla ubhontshisi, yes, ngidla ubhontshisi. Yes, ngidla wona ama-beans la, I was just eating one actually. I'm finished manje, what? Now it's like, yeah, I was eating, ilo koko. Again, khona lokho ngimfunayo again into ish. Ngiyabonga we-gift, ngiyabonga. Ayihome ngicekza amadoda. Irasa ngithenga nemoto. Angilondoloze.
Hello.
Hi, salam alaikum. Am I saying it right?
Waalaikumsalam. Indonesia.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Okay.
I'm okay too. What is his name? What's his name?
Okay. Nah, okay.
Ishu. Okay.
Okay. Apa tu? Awak buat apa tu? Please. Oh, you are so great.
Hi. Siyababa mfethu. Yes. Siyababa. Uyababingi.
Triple, tap.
Uyababingi mfethu. Uyababingi like the pelepele. Like the pelepele uyababingi mfethu.
Step, please.
Usitapa. I love you. You have husband. This side. We're doing like this.
Hey. Ini hand.
Like this.
Nah,
Also follow up ngiyabonga. Like this, like kanje. You must marry me. You must marry me.
Before.
Hey, mina mfethu oje. I was sorry here. Umuntu engeke abe nenhlanhla athole i-life e-right. Donkey boy. Hey boo. Hayi sisi. Angilondoloze. I always come here to have fun. Ngicini nje ukwenza life and just have fun, you know. It's been a while. I see dead people. Yo, umuntu umenza amavidiyo. Apple mfethu. It's
Hey Zero.
Nkosazane. Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you doing?
Ngiyaphila. Mfethu. Do you understand this?
Thank you, Mali. Guys, is it my network or his network? Puti. Guys, is it mine or his?
Yeah. Do a match. Is it mine? Are we doing a match? Let's do a match.
You want to play a match? I just got here, Zero. I just got here. Can I come back a bit
You
later?
just
What time are you
arrived.
closing?
It's deep. It's deep. It's deep. No, it's okay. Bye. Sangihamba. Zero, do you have Facebook? Yeah, nginawo Facebook. Ku-Facebook I go by Luthando. Or you can just buy I go by Luthando. If une fan page engimele enesiceve, une fan page enesiceve lapha. La fan page le inesiceve. Lapha Facebook mina ngitholile ukuthi isuke la fan page. Abantu bayitshisa bafollowa mina, bafollowa le fan page. Ayangicika yo. Angifuni ungasho. Yangicela le fan page. Man bafollowa yona, bafollowa mina, bafollowa yona. It goes by Zero Africa. Kune fan page engisuke fan page le. Mina ngenza show, ngenza uplan ukuthi la fan page isuke. Queen of TikTok, kombo kuphi lo Queen of TikTok? Oh, yilo. Ngenza uplan isuke la fan page inescefe iyaxinana. It's taking my fan base. It's taking Angilondoloze. Mfethu. Okay, cha. No worries.
Hello, how are you?
I'm great. Nice to meet you. You seem like a great person. You seem like a great person.
Well, thank you.
This is nice. I'm from South Africa. Where are you from?
I'm from Georgia.
You're from Georgia in America, in the States.
In America, yes.
Okay. That's cool. What are you listening to? I hear music.
Anthony Hammer. What do you do on here? You almost got a million followers. What do you do on here?
Oh, don't worry. I how do I explain this to you? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, thank you. I inspire people, you know. I inspire people to be better, you know. Seeing me suffer makes people like wanna be better.
I don't have a million followers, so wash your mouth.
That doesn't make sense.
Talking about more than
She's
you.
gone.
I'm back on my way. I'm finna have 100,000 followers.
First.
No.
I'm inspiring people, you know. Ngiyabonga, we're happy. Ngiyabonga, let me follow you. I'm inspiring people to do better in life, you know.
Let me follow you back.
First of all, I gotta ask. Because once I made this mistake once before, I don't want to make the same mistake again. So Amen. I gotta ask. What do you identify as?
What do I identify myself? Your phone went blank. What you say again?
Oh, I'm sorry. What? I'm like, what do you identify as?
Oh, grip. You know how you grip something? Baby. Grip, baby.
What do you mean? You're confusing me now.
Grip, baby.
Uh-huh. Grip, baby. Okay, this is nice. I've pissed a lot of people from America, so now I just feel guilty. I always ask, what do you identify as? Because it seems like it's a sensitive thing, you know. I don't want to be that guy.
All he asked was a female. See, I can't understand him, so y'all don't say I ain't gonna know what the hell he talking about. I done. You know I'm a woman. The fuck? Don't I look like a woman? Do I give you any man vibe?
No, you don't. You did nothing wrong. What happened? What happened, Gabong? You did nothing wrong. You did nothing wrong. It's me. The problem is me here. I'm the problem. Okay? I'm the problem. I was scared. I was scared. I always go into lives and ask people what they identify as, especially if they are American. Because, you know, like, last time it became a whole issue. It's a big problem. So I got a lot of people watching. Can you show us something? Something
How many
American?
people you got watching? Cause I got my own crowd too. So how many people you got?
Can you like show us something American though?
How many people do you have over there?
Right now, it's about 600, 700 people. Close to 700. Can you show us something American?
What you mean?
Like anything, anything that's like American.
He got 207 people over there. Okay, I got 204. So I ain't got to show you that.
You don't want to show us anything American?
No, I don't.
Why?
No, I'm good.
Okay, teach us at least. Teach us something new about the country.
This is what I'm finna teach you. You ready?
Nah, you can leave. You can go. Hamba, Tembele. Hamba, move. Ay, bobola ubuthini? Awus imang record, ima webafu, ima putupolo bathi, ima polo bathi, ima ne? Ungaqali ne? Ungaqali. Thank you so much, Putu Benedict. Thank you. Ungaqali putupolo. Angene kwi-match ne? Ngizongena kwi-match. And then mase ngiphakathi kwi-match ngizorecord, screen record, and then ke hey. Hi. You have nice tattoos. Shit. Oh, okay. Wait. Wait, okay, let me try. Okay. Hi, my name is Zero. I am trying. Okay. Okay.
Ayúdenme, por favor.
Okay, Putipolo Bas. You can do it, guys. Let's go. I'm ready. Oh, I'm ready. You know how to speak, though. Don't lie. Don't be like that. You can speak. Yes, thank you for the hat. Dabo, you can speak. I know.
No.
I knew you could speak. Look at you. Yeah, come on. Yeah. She talks, guys. Yeah, she can talk. And she has tattoos, which means she's famous. Like my fellow South Africans, she has tattoos. That's obviously she's famous.
I'm not famous. All right, I'm gonna have to talk. America.
Yes, it's a miracle. But you're famous though. You're famous.
No, I'm not famous. I just like tattoos.
Okay, then what do you do? What do you do? Are you like in radio? Are you like in TV?
No,
like...
I just do lives here. I talk about my life. Ayúdenme, chicas, no me dejen atrás.
You're like, you're an inspirational. You do inspire.
Yeah.
You inspire people. Is it like
I inspire women to be happy. Ay, ya me chingó. No, ya. ¿Qué hacemos para ganarlo?
Put you happy. Put you happy. You're an inspiration. Okay, are you like go to church? Happy.
Ya vamos, va a meter una madresa. Ustedes también apóyenme, no manchen. Da miedo que me está madreando y todavía lo ayuda.
She is famous. Yes, Chad. Yes, she's famous. I know you from somewhere. I've seen you somewhere. Okay, let me think. Let me focus. Family. Yeah, okay. Are you the lady from the show? The Big Bang Theory.
Who?
Okay, it's not you from the Big Bang Theory.
No, I'm Sofia Vergara. You know who's? You know who's? Huh?
You are Jenny Rivera.
Yeah.
Okay, Jenny. I'm speaking to Jenny. This is deep. It can't be. Is it Jenny though? Thank you so much. Mhlangu ikwerekwela se-America, yes. Niyeyisa la kwi-chat yami. Niyadelela, niyeyisa. Ayekho umuntu odelela ukudlula nina. Hayi, niyeyisa. But ngiyabonga wonke umuntu ongifayele i-gift. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, Bhuti Happy. Thank you so much. You. Bhuti Polobas T. Ngiyabonga. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love Jesus. Thank you so much, guys. You guys, I appreciate you. Polobas T, you're from Brazil. Too. Damn, you work there. Do you like work there? Miss. It's Miss Polobas T. So you're back. You said you're famous.
No, I'm not famous, friend. I'm not famous. But I do know a lot of people. And I love everybody.
So you like you do music?
No, I do
Are you Adele? Are you Adele? It's Adele, guys. Is it Adele?
No. No te pases de lanza conmigo. Gracias. Gracias. Le hubiéramos hecho snipe. Thank you, friend.
She's a beauty.
I'm gonna follow you, okay, friend?
Let me follow you. You are amazing.
Thank you, you too. Bye.
You're from SA, Miss Polobas. You're from SA, working in Brazil. Congratulations. That means you're a boss lady. You're making moves out there. I hope, Champe, you into yakula uzifike to a point whereby you start a business. Because imagine having like a real solid business. You can just be able to create like an empire for the family or for the kids. Gee, I'm not in Brazil. I'm not, I mean. But I wish I was. I've never left South Africa, but one day I will. I'm not gonna completely give up on the idea. I know one day I'll leave South Africa. I'm just saying to those about Pumili. Congrats. Congrats. That's big. Go ahead, it might look small, it's a big deal. Not a lot of people live in South Africa. I'm telling you. I don't know why. Now I'm one of them though. Now I'm one of them. That's crazy. Unable to connect. Thanks, bro. Happy. Thank you so much, bro. Ngiyabonga bafo, ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga. Ndimani ngiyabonga, hey. It's bo. Hey, mfethu, we've been vibing nabantu la. We've been vibing nabantu lana, ngiyabonga. Ngibonga iqiniso leni. Ningenzele iqiniso namhlanje. Sawubona kunjani? Zothi sawubona kunjani? You're a millionaire. Ay. Oh, shh. Ay. Cool. Sawubona abantu. Irazo. Irazo. Yaphila razo. Ngibona sibonisa uba omunye ngimtholayo. Angikwazi ukubona ama-comment, yazi ngizowavula manje bese ngiqede la. Ngikhona lento engiyivulile kwi-screen engavumi ukuthi ngibone ama-comments. Once I'm done with yona, ukwazi ukuthi ngiphendule ama-comments. I'm Mozambican, but you are my best. Thank you so much. Ndimandi, I appreciate you for watching my videos and supporting. Thank you so much. Abo, means a lot, man. It means a lot. About anyone, of people of all ages, of all backgrounds. If you watch my videos, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. You're thing I issue. Are you? If you watch my videos and you this, I appreciate you. If you like, I appreciate you. If you follow me, I appreciate you. I want you. God bless. Stay blessed. You want to believe. That's the only thing that's important. Stay blessed. You want to believe. Many ngipha my video ideas, yes. I'm running out of ideas for videos. I'm running out of ideas. I don't know why. Research. Damn man. Bona nje. Kuyenzeka mfethu. Sometimes you run out of ideas, you know. Kuyenzeka. Not all the time, but sometimes kuyenzeka. Kuyenzeka yini? Sibona sisiyamthula nomunye umuntu esongena naye la. Sabheka abantu kahle kahle. Oh, sorry, a bad she belongs to me. Uboniswa kakhulu wena.
Hi.
Ni hao ma. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. I'm great. Are we playing a match?
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from South Africa. Where are you from?
Thailand.
From Thailand. Wow. You are a good person. You are a good person.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hello. How are you?
We are good. We playing a match.
Let's go.
Wait, we need one more person. We need one more. We need like one more person. Let's do like a tag team.
Okay, I'm
thing,
one.
like a team thing.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's play this game. Let's play. Send a request. Anyone, send a request. Can anyone send a match team?
Thank you for following me. Thank you.
Okay, guys, I play this.
Yes, let's go. Let's go then. Let's play a solo match. Let's go. Send a request, guys. Send a request. Are we ready, chats? Let's go, chats. Let's go. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do this.
Hello, guys. How are you guys? How are you?
Okay, let me mute everyone. Let me mute everyone. Let me mute everyone. Let me see.
I'm not trying to be funny. I'm not trying to troll today, but
Foreign savage.
I'm on multiple sides of the world right now, chat.
Wait. Foreign savage. I gotta say hi to the African queen.
United States.
Gotta say hi to the African queen. Hello, African queen. Hello. I'm good. And you? Are you okay?
Nigeria. Okay, cool. Like, where am I? Devil chat. Let's not get comfortable. I don't know what's going on today.
Ningavumi guys, nenza njani bafuna ukushaya cabanga bayadlala abasazi kahle lapha abasazi kahle